Hi, I'm Rob Eater. You're watching Drugstore News TV. You know, contrary to popular belief, pharmacists do not stick the little bottles in the typewriter. With us to talk a bit about printing technology at the back bench is Raul Palacios, Director of Business Development for Cognitive Solutions, a company whose specialty is providing transaction and barcode printing solutions for healthcare providers, banks, hotels, restaurants, and many other leading fields. Raul, why is thermal printing technology better at printing RX labels than other print technologies?
Well, there's a couple of reasons, but the primary reason that should interest the pharmacy is that thermal printers have been printing labels for a very long time, and they've been proven to be the most reliable way to print labels, especially when you start getting into higher volume of labels. This mechanism from the concept started with the idea of printing a lot of labels all day long, continuously.
And can you do more than just print labels for the pharmacy?
Absolutely. That's actually probably been the biggest misconception about thermal printers. They've always been deemed as being barcode label printers, and people forget that you can print other things than just barcodes or labels. In fact, the monograph is the one that we're talking about that is so important. A monograph is a paper document, and there's no barcodes on it. It's just text, and it's on paper. So it doesn't fit any of the previous criteria that people think about on a thermal printer.
And is there a cost savings involved for the pharmacy by switching to thermal?
With thermal printers, what you do is you get the benefit of no toners, no ribbons, nothing like that. Everything's built right into the label itself, and the printer simply images directly onto the label. The benefits are directly is the cost of the label, the cost of any of the other materials, so monographs, you have no toners, the operational cost is low maintenance, and then also there is a very, very low energy take. It takes about a tenth of the amount of energy that a big laser printer might take.
The potential cost savings really depends on how you implement the technology. If you implement a thermal laser or all thermal technology, then you're looking about saving about half of what you're currently spending on laser, on all laser that is. If you implement all thermal with the advertising on the back side, then you're looking at saving potentially 2/3 of what you're spending on laser.
Raul, we're hearing a lot now about cost savings, cost savings, cost savings. What about ROI? I mean, how long is it going to take the typical pharmacy retailer to recover their investment in this transition to thermal printing technology?
It's really important in the way the technology is adopted. There's 3 different ways. You can go thermal laser, where the thermal is used for printing the labels and the laser printer is used for printing the monographs or other documents. You can go all thermal, where the thermal is used for printing the labels and the monographs, or you can go all thermal, where you're still printing the labels and the monographs, but now you're also doing advertising on the back side. This is where the real cost benefit and savings is, because now the retailer or the pharmacy, in this case, is no longer paying for this material.
When looking at ROI, if you implement all thermal solution, then you're basically looking at a 4 to 6 month ROI. If you're going with the thermal laser combination, it's going to take a little less than a year. But if you go with the all thermal with advertising, it's going to take you less than 4 months to recoup your investment.
Help me understand, how hard is it to integrate the CRX printer into the various different software systems that different retailers might be using?
I mean, it does other labels for other industries, but it's designed for pharmacy in the sense that integration's easy for the software system because the printer accepts the same command language as the laser printer.
Well, there you have it. I mean, it may seem like a small part of the operation, but even the smallest pharmacy can save as much as $5,000 a year per store by printing the right way. That's $5,000 per year per store. You multiply that by 100 stores, 200 stores, 1,000 or more, and you're looking at real cost savings. Helping retail pharmacy recapture that savings is Cognitive Solutions. Raul, thanks again for your time.
Thanks, Rob.
I'm Rob Eater. You've been watching Drugstore News TV. Keep watching.